Stem stitch is great as both an outline and a filler. To start, bring your needle and thread up through the fabric and then back down 1 stitch length ahead, but don't pull it all the way tight. Leave a loop of thread toward the outside of the curved pattern line. Bring your needle and thread back up through the fabric halfway between your first 2 stitches, and now you can pull your looped thread all the way through. Your next stitch down through the fabric will be 1 stitch length ahead, or about a half stitch length ahead of where your previous stitch ended. Again, hold a loop of thread to the outside of your curve and bring your needle up a half stitch back where your previous stitch ended. All of your stitches will be the same length, but they are offset, meaning a single stitch will align with half of the previous stitch and half of the next stitch. As you continue along the line, your stitches will start to give the appearance of being twisted. I will also show you this same stitch, but on a curve that faces the other direction. Remember, your loop of thread should always lay to the outside of the curve. Not to cause any confusion, but I feel like I should mention that there is also a stitch called outline stitch, which is very similar to stem stitch, but it is worked with the loop in the opposite direction when you are working in a line from left to right. For the sake of my patterns and my own personal preference when I am stitching, whether you call it stem stitch or outline stitch, I always just keep the loop of thread to the outside of the curve to achieve the twisted look I am going for.